Here in the city of Kaduna, we are about to conclude an installation of 20 units of 650 watt solar panels and a 30 kilowatt hour lithium battery with a 12 kV inverter from Seawatt. But before I do review about the whole system, I want to show you guys this very stuff now. You can see we have a welding machine here which consumes about 2,700 watts working from the inverter, and this is their piling machine. Whenever they want to use it, they will still put it on. So everything they are using here right now, the welding they are doing is from the very inverter. You can see we make a stand for the panels, 20 units of 615 watt solar panels. So the reason why they are still doing this is because they have to make a little adjustment because of the measurements. Our panel couldn't fit in very well. We have to call them back to do the adjustment. So presently we are doing this work from the 12 kV inverter from Seawatt. That is 2 units of 6 kV inverters from Seawatt. So let me show you guys another thing again. This mixer machine is working from the same inverter. We have welding machine on it and we have this very mixer on it. Let me take you guys inside so that you see the setup.
So here are the 2 units of the 6 kV inverter powering those appliances which I just showed you guys, working with 2 units of 15 kilowatt hour lithium battery from Seawatt, and the inverters are connected in parallel, communicating as one, making it 12 kV. So if you observe the inverter on the left side showing about 900 and something watts, which is the amount of load consumed from each inverter. It is around 15%. So presently the welding machine, the cutting machine and the mixing machine are actually consuming. So once they start welding, the load might increase to like maybe 1,700 watts or 1,500 watts on each inverter, because the inverters are communicating as one, making it 12 kVA. So for those of you that have been asking whether some of these inverters are capable of powering industrial load, this is an evidence to show you that the inverter is pure sine wave and it can work with any kind of load or any type of load at all that is electrical or electronics. So don't forget to give us a call to set up something like this for you, for your business.